So today we're in surgery again, and we've got TNR. So TNR stands for Trap Neuter Return. This is something I offer for people that have wild cats hanging around, that they're happy to have them hanging around and they often feed them, but we just want to stop the population by building with them not being desexed. So we offer a TNR, which is desexing them for $20, and we also include a microchip, and we do a health check as well. So they have to sign a form when they come in that they have to have known the cat for 7 days and that they know that it's not someone else's cat. They have to sign that they'll be the person in charge of the cat for the next 24 hours after it's anaesthetic to make sure that all goes smoothly. And then we're happy to do it. So we're just going to do a general check of him. What we have noticed is he's actually got no teeth whatsoever. So he, I guess, is probably a bit older, and this is the thing, a lot of people are worried about us taking teeth out of cats and even dogs. I won't be able to eat, but honestly it's a lot healthier mouth if they have the teeth removed rather than big rotten teeth, and he's obviously probably had rotten teeth in the past and they've probably fallen out. So that's why he's got none. But you know, his body condition is still really good. So he's eating really well, and having no teeth is not an issue for him. He has got a few scars and a few wounds, but we're going to give him an antibiotic injection as well, and that will heal up some of those. And he's got a swollen toe there, but nothing really to warrant, you know, calling it a day with him. So we've neutered him already. We have snipped a wee bit off his ear, which is our little signature that we know that he has been desexed. It's not a lot, it's just a little bit so that from a distance we can actually see that he is one that we have done, and we know that he has been neutered. Because if he's wild, we're not going to get near him again. The other reason for snipping the ear is we do often have a lot of people trying to cheat the system and put their own cats in and say, oh, they're wild, when really a lot that we see, or some that we see, aren't that wild. So that's another little thing that we it sort of sorts out the cheats from the real good people. So so definitely something that we need to do for the wildies. So we're just going to microchip him. So we've got a company that give us some microchips just for our TNRs, which is really brilliant. And that way, you know, if a cat's hit on the road and it's brought in here, then we immediately can tell whether if it's one of our TNRs or whether it is someone else's cat. But cats that aren't microchipped, then we have no clue whether it's a wild one, whether it's someone's cat, and it just stresses us out knowing that there's a cat that's deceased and maybe there's an owner that's distraught missing their cat out there. So microchips are great. So we've just prepped the area. He's got quite tough skin being an in-time male. But we got it in there. Okay, and that's done. That's just over the shoulders on the back of the neck, and now we can identify him, and that will last for life, and that will be great because then we can tell what happened with him. So that's him. He'll stay for the rest of the day and just quietly wake up, and the lovely Kira will come back this afternoon, take him home, keep him in just in a cage overnight, and then tomorrow he can go back out, and he'll be a much happier cat. Thanks.